Smile Sunday, dear friends. Today I want to speak to you about anxiety, anger, depression, all these virtues which we do not want. So let's make up our mind today that with every breath we decide that we do not want any of these virtues. We'll remind ourselves before we eat our food that if we do too much of thinking, we have anger, we are depleting our blood. In Indian philosophy, many times our parents and grandparents would say that we are burning our blood when we are getting angry or getting anxious. In our actions, when we are, either moving our limbs or hands, or, in extreme conditions, it becomes sticks. But in normal conditions also, we keep moving a lot of body parts when we are angry. In those conditions, we cannot do our work properly. A moving thing is not stable. To do anything, we have to be stable. I'll tell you something that is, when we are thinking extra, when we are anxious, when we are depressed, we will notice that we are moving our tongue. Yes, we will be moving our tongue if, we can be. So we can be moving our tongue inside. So if we control the tongue, we can control these negative emotions. In some practices of meditation, we are required to place our tongue to the palate and restrict it there. That is when our mind, heart and body comes in sync and relaxes. So dear friends, today we will use our tongue as the guiding factor. We will repeatedly understand that are we unnecessarily within the mouth moving our tongue. We will understand that we are anxious. Talking of the tongue, at my clinic I do tongue diagnosis. The entire body parts can be understood by seeing the tongue. Some students of acupuncture will say that tongue diagnosis is even better than pulse diagnosis. So just for your knowledge, I'll tell you 2-3 things. That tongue, when it is a nice red, nice pink, it is the right color. The tongue represents the heart. So if it is the right color, then we are fine. If the tongue is coated little extra, then it is not correct. That coating is the excretion from the body. The tongue is the heart actually. So lots of blood vessels on the tongue. So it is excreting the humidity, it is excreting the phlegm, it is excreting the grease. We'll be happy to know that in India, I think from around the world, we Indians are the ones who actually clean our tongue. So if we clean our tongue minutely, we remove the cholesterol, we remove the grease from our body. So dear friends, let's keep our tongue clean. We'll remove the grease every morning. We'll check our tongue. If we check our tongue, we'll not get angry. If we keep our tongue inside, we'll not be anxious, and we'll keep smiling. Have a great day. Bye-bye.